I stand in front of a crowd, feel one with the universe. All eyes on me is roaring in arena. I play the saddest note on my beat up all stride. Tears for the bare stained floors, feel one with the universe. I raise my hands and in a heartbeat, mask looks like Jesus nailed to the cross. They listen, they hear me, they follow my lead. What the fuck? Forgive me as you teach me to forgive. I was searching for it, found variations of it. Most of the time I was lost. Hope, is it essential? I know that people live a whole life without it. Hope, is it essential? Crusader, violator, innocent emancipator, impotent nation, brainless infiltration, vigorous apparition, constipated vision, distilled soulless, burning red emptiness. Seeing is believing, belief is deceiving. It's a paper-made raft that carries you through the storm. Connect to the other side, be part of a bigger mind. Don't belong in it, don't get caught in it. I was searching for it, found variations of it. Most of the time I was lost. Hope, is it essential? I know that people live a whole life without it. Hope, is it essential? Hope, I was searching for it, found variations of it. Most of the time I was lost. Hope, is it essential? Hope, is it essential? Searching for it, found variations of it. Most of the time I was lost. Hope, is it essential? I know that people live a whole life without it. Hope, is it essential? Hope, I was searching for it, found variations of it. Most of the time I was lost. Hope, is it essential? Hope, is it essential? A poisonous search to live life freely. Listen with the scripture, but fell without a trace. Born by thought and death by thinking. Without comprehension, drowned in knowledge without any meaning. An airborne disease can erase your entire kin, but the big wheel, it keeps on spinning. caught each other's eyes, and the reflection in the window was a long train ride, was a long stare. She smiled out the window, I think it was intended for me. I got nervous, but I smiled back. Outside is blurry, traveling at high speed. An abandoned farm, leafless trees, a dungaree working his car. Her stop could be at the next station, she would be lost forever. I have to start a conversation. Of my life, this is our first journey, and this is where it starts. Love of my life, could you be her? Can I be him? But I need courage. Fingers are trembling, I stare through the window, see a samurai in the clouds on his big ethereal dragon. The engine stops, I'm in shock. This is her stop, I ran out of luck. And goodbye happiness that might have been. Courage, love of my life, this is our first journey, and this is where it starts. Love of my life, could you be her? Can I be him? But I need courage. Love of my life, this is our first journey, and this is where it ends. It was not my fault, I had to leave, did what I thought was right, but who am I to know? Left me no choice, blood over love, my skin, it wasn't right for kin to accept. This is not my time to shine, no, this is where I stay in line. I don't know, I don't know, won't make a mother leave her kids, even if they are wrong, and segregate the world. I talked about it over a bottle, got plenty of bad advice, and I used them all. This is not my time to shine, no, this is where I stay in line. I don't know if they'll ever listen, I don't know if people can change, I don't This is not my time to shine. No, this is where I stay in line. I don't know if I'll be alright without you. I don't know if there's a second chance. I don't know how I'm supposed to go on now, waiting for a second chance, waiting for a second chance. Around my soul, as she slunk towards me with a speed of 120 knots. She was beautiful, now my future seems hopeless. I was born in muddy waters, but blossom when I felt your breeze. I've been rooted by the enjoyments of this world, but in your cyclone I feel no pain. My life was limited, but in your stream I flow through everything. I flow through everything. I'm a dragon and you'll never understand me. Hurricane. I'm a dragon and you'll never understand me. Her rhythm was violent, but I was floating. The train stopped at the outskirts of nowhere, and I paused eyed. Future now seems hopeless. My accident now seems meaningless. I am love. I run in circles to become a cyclone, so I can be with you.